All right, so we are working on the 370Z today, and I'm going to be replacing the rear camber arms because one of them is broken. So that's right, one of the camber arms are bent and I'm getting ready to replace it. And that's because the person that was driving this, my son,
Bro, you're what?
He destroyed the underneath of it. I discovered that he bottomed out somehow and he destroyed the shock and the camber arm. I just found out now, and I have to do that now. I have to replace it. But here's what's going on. Flash Shark has sponsored us and they send us a brand new exhaust, and I have to do this video ASAP for them because they asked me to do it for them ASAP because their anniversary's coming up at the end of this month and I'm supposed to post this video. But at the same time that that's going on, I have all these other parts here to install on vehicles. Sponsorships and all sorts of stuff just keeps showing up. And guys, don't get me wrong, I am not complaining. I appreciate all the sponsorships, I really do. I wouldn't be able to do majority of these videos if it wasn't because I was sponsored and because of you guys are watching. But it is getting a little bit out of control. There is so much coming in all at once that I cannot keep up. There's so much and everybody wants it now. They want it right away. They want their video out there, and I try to push back, and of course they work with me, but there's just too much. So I'm trying to pump out all these videos. I'm trying to get them all out at this, like, as quickly as possible and document the whole thing. So remember, I have two channels. This is the more laid back channel, and it's not so much of a how-to. This is, I'm just pretty much just vlogging right now what's going on. And yeah, it's a lot. But at the same time, I appreciate all the sponsorships because it is a blessing. It's a blessing. But we're gonna just keep pushing forward. I'm gonna take care of this car right now. I'm gonna take you along with me as I do this, and hopefully it is a very quick and easy install. I think it is. I might record a how-to video in the process because someone out there might need to know how to replace his rear camber arm. I might do that, or I might not. I don't know. It all depends in the mood that I get in after I lift this up in the air. So we'll find out. All right, so let's take a peek in here and see what he messed up. So look at this. I don't know if you could see this in the video, but this thing is all bent, and I'll try to grab the good one. So this is a good use part. You can see how that's straight and this one's crooked. I'm hoping it comes out in the video, but I'm gonna remove it out of there regardless and show you guys. So you can see why I'm replacing this. So yeah, look how much straighter this is compared to this guy. Yeah, that's not cool. Someone fucked up pretty good. Damn it, G. What the frick were you smoking? Fuck. So look at that. Look at the difference, guys. So he obviously messed up. I'm not pissed off at him. I just wish he would have said, hey, I fucked up. Then I would have just taken care of it. Shit's gonna happen. You're a new driver, shit's gonna happen. You're gonna hit things, you're gonna bump things. I was expecting that. I'm surprised he didn't destroy the whole car. It's just little minor things here and there. Let's go check out underneath what else he did. So you can see he hit something here and he kept going along towards the back and destroyed the back. There's some scrape marks right here on the side skirt, and there's, oh, just found another one there. So he hit something, hit a curve, kept driving. If I was to put money on it, I bet that wheel is bent as well, because not only we bent that lower control arm, that camber arm, the shock was destroyed, so it was really soft, and I had to replace the BC shock itself. So whatever, shit's gonna happen. That's why I have a YouTube channel, to post all this crazy shit in here, because before I didn't used to document any of this. I just used to do it. I used to just fix things and just send them on their way. But I figured, hey, just build a channel off around it and maybe I could make some money back from all the wool shits that my kids do. So yeah, it's working out, I guess, maybe. There's nothing left to do but to install it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm almost done, but I did something here. I loaded up the suspension and I put the jack, my air jack, right underneath here, and I put tension on everything because this is how it's gonna live majority of the time. So what I wanna do is I wanna load the suspension and I wanna put this bushing where it's gonna live, and then I'm gonna torque it down. Because if I torque it down when it's like this, the bushing in here will bind up and it'll have a lot of stress and it will fail prematurely. So that's what I'm doing. So everything's loaded. Now I'm gonna torque it down and then I could just release this and we're done.